Hello everyone, this is Michael again from Spark Modz. This is the second video about the Voltaic 120. In this video we'll be showing the fitment of various atomizers and its uses. This right here is an IGO W. It has a twisted 26 gauge build in it and it is at 0.24. Now, testing this ohm reader, I believe it's roughly off about 0.04, so I'm guessing it's closer to 0.28. We have a TOBH clone, and it's coming in at probably a little over 0.5 ohms. This is a I believe just a 26 gauge microcoils. And then we have a K-Fun. And this is a, I believe right around a 1.2 ohm build. So about 1.23 roughly. So first we'll start with the IGO. Show you how it fits on there. Now this 510 connection is not adjustable, but it does have a brass center pin, also a brass nut holding it onto the top plate. This connection is really solid. You don't have to worry about it wobbling or you know, if you drop it on the Addy, it's not going to rip the 510 out of the box. Now this board is also equipped with overcurrent protection, one of the features of the Raptor board, as well as inline fuses to protect you from drawing over 18 amps. The fuses are set at 18 amps, the max of the board is 20 amps or 120 watts. So I'm going to start this all the way down. It should be at about 3.5 volts, and we'll see what happens. Turn it on first. And then we'll turn it all the way up. Now this setting should be at 6 volts, roughly. Tighten down the atomizer, we'll see that we're only getting about 5.8 volts, 5.7 volts. And that is the overcurrent protection coming in. You'll notice the voltage drop will increase as the batteries die, but you only really see this characteristic when you approach the upper limits of the board. This one was at around about a 0.5 ohm, and we'll see that we'll turn it all the way down. It's about 3.5 volts. And we'll crank it all the way up. We'll notice that it stays right at 6 volts. Now this is because this is a lot less than a lot less of a load as opposed to the IOW we had on there. This is the K-Fun, which was right at about 1.3 ohms. Turn it all the way down, and I will probably roast my cotton doing this, but 3.5 volts. Let's turn it all the way up. It's all slippery. Got juice on it, and we'll see it's right at about 6 volts. Now this connector is not adjustable. However, I've set it up so it should work on just about any atomizer. I haven't found one that it won't work on yet. Set it up because the 510 on my IGO is the shortest one I have, and when you screw it on, it actually sits flush to the outer part of the 510 here. So the IGO will give you a flush look on the inside there. However, because this 510 doesn't come all the way out to the sides, normally you don't really notice the gap. The case is a little bit wider than 22 millimeters. So you put a K-Fun on here. It's got that. That is the performance and atomizer fitment. Thanks for watching.